Okay, now that I'm done being dumb, so, this is my stupid little Suzuki. I'm currently building it with what little money I have. I have 3D printed a lot of stuff to replace some OEM stuff. Oh man, that doesn't belong. But everything does do a function. Like that. That's my oil gauge. There's going to be an air-fuel ratio sensor there. TAC is going there, and voltmeter probably. But that's not what I'm all talking about. I also can remove that, so people can't just kill my battery. I also have this. I haven't wired it up yet, but there is 4 LED latching buttons, all red. This is 3D printed just out of PLA. This is my test print, and it did very, 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 very well after 3 revisions. I'm not going to worry about it hitting the steering wheel, even with the play in the shifter, because 1, I have the stuff to fix it. It's over there. Ignore the mess and the leaves. And 2, I am getting an NRG 2.8 quick release because someone keeps trying to steal this car when I leave it outside, even though it's in front of cameras, and I'm not dealing with that shit anymore. Anyways, yeah, it does. Feels pretty nice. So the trigger, it does work. I just don't have what I want to put to the trigger, which is going to be a, I guess, loadable or programmable horn, because the horn on this stopped working. Can't figure it out, and I'm just not gonna deal with it because it was a little beep beep, and I'm gonna be getting rid of that anyways, because, well, yeah. This is sensory hell for anyone neurodivergent, because that is so satisfying. Oh, there's one there. Sorry, I lied. It's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's 5. Sorry, 5 LED LED buttons that are really nice, and then 2 momentaries. Those will go to the winch with just the controller, not the actual winch itself. But yeah, it'll be sensory hell, but I love it because, it's so cool. And it's so cool. Yeah, so there you go.